My husband sent me 150,000 naira for the house, and I have one account that I normally receive those kind of monies from him. So in that account, I had less than 1,000 naira, but I knew I had more than 700 or so. So when I went to the app to check, I saw 148,000. I thought he said he set 150. So I went back to my WhatsApp to check the receipts, and I saw 150,000. I went back to my app again, and I saw 148,000 and a few change. So I went to check my history. Guess what? SMS charges, VAT, eh, like different deductions. In my mind, I'm like, okay, so people were just waiting for me to receive the money so you can start deducting everything you needed to deduct. Was the 700 not enough for you people to take? You know how to take from the money that I was made to use. So I didn't have 150 again. I had 148,000 naira. Now, I know I am probably not the only one that has experienced this. If you have, let me know that in the comment section. But what this makes us realize is that putting your money in a regular traditional bank account, just like that, sitting idle, few things happen to your money. Inflation and authorized deductions. Now you need to know that most of these deductions that happen in your account, it is actually authorized by the Central Bank of Nigeria. So they are not just deducting this money for the sake of it, right? Now what this means is that keeping your money idle in an account, that may not be the best option for you. Note, I am not saying you should remove all your money from your bank account. Now your bank account is actually important for your day-to-day transactions. I'm saying that if you have money that you're not going to be using the next 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or even more than that, it is actually okay for you to keep this money in a place where it's going to be earning something on it. Now, the first one I want to say is the high yield savings account. You know how you have money that you're not going to use in the next 3 months? You can actually have it locked in your high yield savings account. Now, I actually love Piggyvest for one thing. They have different features on the app where you can actually keep your money for emergency. You can lock your money. That one has a higher return. I think you have about 20%. For the emergency feature on the app, you can get as much as 12% on your money. And guess what? You can withdraw up to 6 times in a month. Yes, you can actually withdraw up to 6 times in a month. You get no deductions when you withdraw up to 6 times, but after your sixth withdrawal in that month, you are going to be fined if you withdraw again. Now, when you lock it for a particular time, you are expected to leave that money for that particular period. Now, if you try to remove the money before then, you are going to be fined for it. So I just need you to know that. So you see, you can actually keep your money in a high yield savings account, and you can get as much as 12 to 20% interest per annum on your money instead of leaving it idle where you get VAT deductions, SMS charges, this and that. You can put this money in a high yield savings account, and we have options like Piggyvest, like I mentioned. We have Kuda, we have Rain Money, even Cowrie Wise. Now, if you want to use the traditional banks like First Bank, Zenith, UBA, GTCO, and the rest, they actually have options for fixed deposits. Now, that's why I mentioned that if you're not going to be using the money for another 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, instead of just leaving it idle in your account, you can actually put it in fixed deposits where you also get fixed interest on this money. Another way to actually save your money is by putting it in the money market mutual fund. Now, why I'm recommending the money market mutual fund is because it is low risk, and you can actually withdraw your money also after like the first 30 days, and it can also earn you between 14 to 20% interest per annum. Now, for money market mutual funds, you can actually use well-known providers like Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, AROM Investment Managers, we have Meristem Wealth Management, and we have fintech platforms like Cowrie Wise. These are options that you can actually use to earn good interest on your money. And we also have the Treasury bills. Now, Treasury bills are short-term debt instruments issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria on behalf of the federal government. In simple terms, you are actually lending money to the government for a defined period, and then you earn interest on it. So there is one for 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Now, when it comes to Treasury bills, they are actually known as the lower risk investments, of course, because they are backed by the government. You have the full backing of the government, so you don't need to worry about your money, right? People cannot actually run away with your money at the end of the day. Now, always advise that never be tempted to invest money that you are going to need urgently. That is why I actually like that feature on Piggyvest where you can keep your money in the emergency feature and you can withdraw up to 6 times in a month. Now, don't be tempted to lock it up for 20% when you don't know when you're going to need that money, because if you're going to be pulling it out before the time, they are going to deduct your money. Some people have projects and things that they are saving money towards. People save for rent, people save for school fees, they save for different things. So instead of just leaving it in your regular bank account where you'll be getting deductions, where you'll be earning next to nothing, it's okay for you to actually put it in a high yield savings account, or you put it in a money market mutual fund. And there's also the option of the treasury bills. That way you don't allow inflation to devalue your money altogether. You can still earn something on it. Now, thank you so much for your time. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because here I bring you business ideas, investment tips, productivity videos as well. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone today. You know he's going to be happy to see this type of content. Thank you so much for your time here, and see you in my next one.